So that's all today about the app sheet part. And I'll just take a break here, and looks like someone else also joined in middle. We'll just try to quickly take a break here, and then try to catch up with the digital topic, and then we move to the demo. Any questions so far?
This like once we build the app, then we can means like we need to upload it to Play Store and we can easily do that.
Yeah, Play Store is also possible. You just need to follow some instructions because Play Store works on itself, right? It needs an executable. It expects a software to be uploaded, right? So there are some instructions that are available. We have to follow
Okay.
that. And once we have the final product ready, right, then we can upload that to the Play Store and it works fine, absolutely fine, no issues with that.
Like I just wanted to state an example, like in my main office is at Singapore.
Okay.
So what we do is we put in lot of data in Google Sheet, which contains the pro forma number and the DHL of a person who has imported the material. So
Yeah.
like what in my mind, one of the app is my customers log in into the app, and when he puts the pro forma number, because he has the pro forma number always in hand, so when he puts the pro forma number, he gets the DHL number as an output. So my person in Singapore keeps on updating the DHL number in the Google Sheet, and the customer here can see it on regular basis.
Wonderful.
Customer
So
or the customers means whosoever
correct, correct,
uses.
correct. Yeah, yeah. Those kind of flows. That's exactly where this kind of editor comes into play, and this kind of smartness comes into play, wherein you can build those kind of small flows into a beautiful app, and everything can be done very well. And it works perfectly well with Google Sheets because it's a product of
Okay.
Google. Yeah, definitely. You will experience
Okay.
it as we take you to the demo. Hi, we see Raghav joined. Hi,
Okay.
Raghav. Focus is on the idea. It is not on the technology or the issues related to technology to build the apps, right? So we'll just take a break here to open up for questions. You have any questions, we can discuss, and finally we go back to wrap up our presentation where we have started, and we would be good for today. So I just opened the forum for questions before I conclude the presentation.
Hi, sir. As I'm into the interior business, so
Yeah,
can I try the app for the same kind of thing to display my own thing? Like
exactly.
it's
You
in
can do that.
okay, okay. It's in startup mode. It's not a full fledged, but still seeing at the progress. Actually, we can display our work on the app, and it looks apt also for the people to scroll it in the app so that it would be easy to contact us back, and it looks professional also.
Exactly. Very well said. Because see, that is where the productivity comes, right? See,
Yes, sir.
typically, if you go in a traditional way, uh, your cost is upfront, right? Either
Yeah, yeah,
you like the idea or not, you have to hire developers, you have to understand technology, what the developer is talking. You might like it, you might not like it, you might spend a lot of time and energy. He is not only building it, your
yes.
time and energy is also going in, right?
Okay,
But when you
okay.
come to these platforms, you don't need to worry about it. You just need to work on it and make it happen.
Yes.
And what Google does is Google for you, this is just a workshop, this is a demo. So we are able to
Yeah.
share to 2 or 3 users. But you really want to apply to your entire user base, you have to buy something called as license. So let me
Okay.
go back to the app and show you one important thing. So you see it here, it shows us not deployed, right?
Yes, sir. Yes.
So that is like because I have not applied the license, because when I don't apply the license, this
Yeah.
app works locally, right? I can only share to maximum let's say 7 to 8 people, or at the max 10 people I can share where I can
Okay.
work. But if I have to share to more than 10 people, or I want to make it professional, it has to be applied a license and launched. And we can help you get all that kind of things once you are ready. But until that you are ready, instead of handling multiple Excel sheets, multiple people, explaining multiple people, you lose a lot of energy. Instead of doing all that, you can come with your idea, you can start working on it. And the next steps, the professional approach, outlook, the fine tuning, the license application, all those things we can help. But at least you know what you're doing and you are in
Yeah.
control of your time. And that to me is profit. Because to me, as an entrepreneur, your time is your biggest money. If you
Okay.
have to waste or you have to spend, I would rather say you have to spend more time or invest more time with a developer, helping him understand what is that you want in your app, then that app is not going to help you anywhere because your idea is never conceived. He only comes back with his own thought process. And that is where you get stuck.
Okay. Thank you, sir. Thank you for this.
Yes. Any other questions? Okay, great. So let me go back to this one, the questions. And that's all from our side. Thanks for joining us today. It has been a wonderful journey. It's been a wonderful experience to have you guys, and wonderful to take your time and listen to us and try to understand this wonderful platform, Google AppSheet, which is all about no code.
Thank you.